What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video here on Loud and Proud. So guys, today we have a very fun video to make, and I think you guys are going to really like it. Before we get too far into this video though, I want to remind you guys that you are down to, I think, the last days left to enter to win this beautiful 1997 12 valve Cummins. It's a customized short bed extended cap 12 valve. It's a 97, and I think all they did was they actually trimmed like 8 to 10 inches off the back of the frame. So nothing else in terms of suspension, axles, drive shaft, none of that stuff's like customized. They just trimmed the back of the frame, and that's the way it sits now. It looks really good. I mean, you would never know it wasn't factory. And this truck, like I said, the detail and time and energy and money that was sunk into this thing is just insane. We did just get a new HX35 turbo put on there, and this thing just rips down the road, and it smokes a lot less, it runs a lot faster, and it puts the power down a lot quicker than it used to. You just have to drive it. So you gotta enter and you gotta win. Drive this truck to really understand what I'm talking about, but this thing is just a freaking animal. Every $15 is another entry to win. But let's get into the topic of today's video, which is going to be a transformation on this 2013 F350 King Ranch. Now, a lot of you guys who've been on the channel a while know that we've had this truck since it was brand new. My dad bought it brand new in 2014, and he was gonna get a brand new 14 Power Stroke. And when he asked the guy, he said, hey, what's the difference from the 14s to the 13s? He's like, 14 and 13, there's no different. He's like, honestly, I'll sell you this 13 for this screaming deal. And so he got like $10,500 off of this truck. It might have even been more than that, but he's like, basically, this is what I'd sell the truck if it was technically used with a few thousand miles on it. And I mean, so he got a great deal on the truck. We've had it ever since, and this truck has been awesome. He's loved it, just like a 7.3. He's very selective. When he buys a Ford, it's either got to be a 6.7 or 7.3, and that's pretty much it. But so that's what he got, and he's loved the truck. He's done a new turbo on it, some intake stuff, exhaust work, some tuning stuff. I mean, all kinds of stuff. The truck's been an awesome truck. Very minimal issues at all. Almost 100,000 miles on it now. Just been an awesome rig. So anyways, what we're gonna be doing today is taking this tidbit of detail right here and expounding that upon the entire truck. So what I mean by that is we took that little smoky chrome look, and we're gonna be transforming that and taking it to the headlights, the cab lights, and the tail lights. And we also have a third brake light as well that we're gonna be putting on the truck. I don't know about that today, but I know that we do have one to put on the truck. And then I just am now thinking about it, we also now would need to do the fog lights. So anyways, we're gonna get to doing all that stuff, and it's gonna look really good. So if you come over here, like I said, we basically looked at that smoked lens on the mirror, and we went with everything that already matched that, because it's kind of a look that we like anyhow. So we got the smoky chrome lenses for the cab lights, smoky chrome tail lights, okay? And these are gonna look really good on that truck. And then we've got a clear lens with a smoky chrome housing on the inside, and this looks amazing. You guys are gonna have to wait until it's on the truck to really get the full effect. But these look really good. And then we got some extremely bright LED lights, and those are clicked into the back of the headlight. I've already got the one installed on this one. It's a perfect fitment. And then we're gonna lock that one in on the other side, on the other one, which is in this box as well, down on the bottom of it. You know, get this all installed. I think it's gonna really look good. This truck looks good as it is, but we just wanna really top off that aftermarket and like aggressive vibe that the truck can give, and just really start to tie in with those other little details to really make this thing like pop. So we're gonna get to doing some of that stuff. I'm actually gonna run inside and see if I can grab that third brake light that we bought for it about a year ago now, just never got to installing it, and then get to installing this all on the truck. And this is all pretty much like a Father's Day gift basically that I bought for my dad. So we're gonna get this all put on the truck, and hopefully he likes it all just as much as I think he will. got it all done, and it does look really, really good. If you can see all the lighting that's still left on temporarily on the truck here. I mean, it turned out really, really good. I really like it. So let's just do a quick little recap on what all we did exactly. So we got the new headlight housings. We went from that just chrome and amber look to strictly like a clear lens with a smoky chrome housing on the inside, and it turned out really good. It really ties in with the black on the truck and the black and milled, you know, machined two-tone looking wheels on it. And then we've got the, of course, smoked lens caps, smoky chrome on the mirrors. We've got LED cab lights now. So we ditched the amber cab lights. Like I said, we got rid of all the amber. We got rid of that. And then we got those smoked cab light lenses with LEDs inside them, so they do actually look really good. I mean, you can't really tell much justice here in the middle of the day. I mean, it's scorching hot and it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and sunny, but I mean, it just turned out really good. The bumper is the only eyesore on the truck. I mean, it drives me crazy, but it drives my dad crazy too. Don't think it doesn't. But then we're gonna come around to the tail lights, and this is a really good looking tail light for this truck, and it's gonna look really good going down the road. And you can see clearly, it's that style that we did on the Duramax truck, and it's kind of like the style that's on my 2019 from the factory. So if you guys have seen my 2019 3500, you haven't seen it in this video, but it's tail end of it's hiding right up there. But it's kind of that style, which is kind of that tubular LED style, which I like. Some people don't, but I like it. And then it has also like the essence of that smoky chrome if you look kind of like around that portion of the light. See what I'm saying? So it kind of ties together really well. The third brake light slash cargo light, I didn't end up finding the one that we had. Go figure, when you buy a part and you let it sit around for a year, you can't remember where you set it. But I thought I knew where it was at, and I went and looked for it, and it was not there. So we're gonna have to order in one of those for him as well. But overall, I mean, it looks good. It turned out really good. The LEDs that are in the headlights as well, one of the most important things, because you gotta be able to see going down the road. If you look directly into them, right there, you can see how bright they are. I mean, they are very bright, and they're gonna do him a lot of justice going down the road at night. And if I can remember, I'm gonna try to drop the links to everything that we put on this truck today in the description below. So you should be able to see kind of like a list of links down there under the 2013 F350 King Ranch little description. There's gonna be a little section for this truck. I'm gonna try to throw down the cab lights, headlights, and tail lights down there for you guys to actually check out all that stuff in case you guys are interested in it. And basically you click on those links, it takes you straight to Amazon, and then it takes you exactly to the page to buy this stuff. And then also this stuff shows up in like 2 days. So I know Amazon spoils everybody, and then when they order merch, they're like, oh my gosh, dude, it's been a week, where's my stuff? I'm like freaking out, and I'm like, oh my gosh, dude, like, we're not Amazon. We don't have thousands upon thousands of employees with a super strict policy to get stuff out the very same day it's ordered. So I'm sorry, we're not Amazon, guys, but we are doing our best. But anyway, so those links will be down there. But overall, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you like the quick little transformation we did on this truck today? I think it looks really good. I think my dad's gonna like it. We're gonna try to get his opinion on that here later on. Now the final moment for this video, which is going to be getting my dad's reaction, getting him all this stuff and getting it put on a truck for him. I hope he likes it. And I genuinely do think he's going to love the look of this truck. He's always kind of been like, I'd like to change out the headlights and cab lights and all stuff. He kind of talked about wanting to do it, but it's one of those things where it's like, he's at the office 24/7, so it's not one of those things where it's like he's just at home like sitting at a truck on, what can I do to it today? You know what I mean? Which for me, that's what I do every day. I, do stuff to my trucks, I make videos, I go buy trucks, I, give away trucks, I work on my brand and all that stuff, and that's what I do. So for me, it's more convenient for me to be able to do something like this for him. And so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna go buy the parts, buy the stuff, get it put on a truck, and just see what he thinks. So this is kind of like a little early Father's Day gift. And of course, this is gonna be after Father's Day by the time you guys see the video. But for him, Father's Day is gonna be coming up here pretty soon. So we're gonna get his reaction on this and see what he thinks. So we're about to go get my dad's reaction to the new headlights, cab lights, and taillights of his truck. He did come out and see them in the dark last night. He's like, I can't really tell, but he's like, I think they look good, but he couldn't see them very well. So we're gonna get his truck pulled up. He's gotta fly to work. But remember, guys, do not forget, you guys are running out of time. When you see this video, you guys are now officially down to the last 14 days to enter to win this truck. Every $15 you spend using the link in the description below is another automatic entry to win that truck. Scroll down, click that link, or I'll put it right here on the screen so you know what link to type in. Grab a t-shirt, a hat, a hoodie, or whatever, and you're automatically entered to win that truck. So let's get his truck pulled up here for him. He's gotta fly to work. I think he's gonna like it.
Oh, we got the King Ranch.
Yeah.
You can hear that thing purring from inside.
Yeah, I told him you got a glance last night, but you couldn't really tell the color tones of the lighting accessories. But
no, not at all.
What do you think? What do you think? The best angle is the side without the dent.
Yeah, I know, right? That looks freaking cool. I've been wanting to do that now for a long time. We started with the mirrors when I replaced those, but that's a good look.
Yeah, I told him when I was shopping online, I actually like looked at the color of the mirror caps. I'm like, I want the closest thing to that since it all will match already. Wow. I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, and now the next thing we got to do is just put a bumper on that thing.
Yeah. I'm going to turn on the lights real quick. Yeah. So there's the daytimes. You gotta see your tail lights. Let them know to get the tail lights. About time it gets.
I wonder if it would look better washed.
Yeah. I was like, it's about time this thing gets those lighting upgrades. You've been talking about them for a while. Finally got them all knocked out. The only thing we need now are fog light lenses and third brake light.
So those are the main three things in it. It's fog light, brake light, and then new bumper.
That's pretty much it, and it's a solid looking, aggressive aftermarket truck.
And there is something else possibly coming down the road. The engine, when we got the new turbo put in, we had some piping put in, but the piping is very basic piping. Okay. So I've been talking to a company that we've dealt with in the past, and they said they might have some upgrades that we can put on here shortly.
You'd be like the first ones to have it on the market.
So when we pop the hood, it'll look a little bit better and give a little bit more air. So for what it's worth, that's coming too.
And one last thing before you head off. They have 14 days left to enter to win the blue truck. 14 days. A lot of these guys haven't entered yet. 14 days.
Well,
actually, most of them have trucks.
Yeah. Of all the trucks, it would be hard for me to pick a favorite. I mean, you got the gray dually. You have Nasty Red that was in there, which I still have somewhere. And
yeah, I was joking around about that too.
That blue truck is a solid truck, and I haven't been in it since you got the new turbo put on. But
it's a race truck.
But that's a clean, nice, awesome looking truck. Perfect condition, and it's got the forces.
Yeah.
So I would say enter, be wise. You never know who's going to walk away with that thing. So far, everybody's been super happy, thrilled, and blessed to be able to walk away with the truck. There's going to be no difference with this one. Maybe even happier and more blessed.
Him getting his shirt soaked before he heads into the office to see clients isn't really what I was hoping for. It did get a little bit misty here, and go figure, it stops as soon as he pulls away. So anyways guys, but thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like this style of video where like we kind of take somebody's truck and we tell them we got something we want to do to it real quick, and then they get back and they have like a totally different look to it. I think like he saw it last night, so that wasn't like his first reaction, but that was his first reaction, seeing it in the daylight, like to where he could actually tell what everything looked like, and he's like, that crap looks good. Like he was super excited about it because his truck's getting closer and closer to the way he really wanted it. Since he started moving forward with aftermarket parts, he's finally getting it kind of closer to the style and taste that he likes. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that thumbs up button if you liked that video. Leave your comments down below. Do not forget to enter that giveaway to take your chance at taking that truck home. Turn on the notification bell. Subscribe if you're new. Join the team. Join the family. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.